This is a 2025 Porsche 992.1 GT3 RS in paint to sample black olive. This car was completely disassembled, panels removed, trim off, hardware pulled, as well as graphics, allowing us to wrap every edge and ensure full coverage. Every painted and carbon surface was prepared for protection. We used STEK DYNOmatte over the paint to transform the gloss finish to matte. Exposed carbon fiber was protected with clear paint protection film to preserve its gloss and clarity. Lighting received STEK DYNOsmoke PPF to darken it up, make it a little less flashy. Windows were filmed with STEK NEX series heat rejection window tint. STEK DYNOtop windshield armor was also used on the front and rear windscreens. Plastics, wheels, and calipers all saw ceramic coatings from Gyeon. On the inside, we applied PPF to high contact areas, including the gloss black center stock. We replaced the finish with STEK DYNOmatte flat film, eliminating reflections and fingerprints for a much cleaner, functional look. Factory matte black graphics were removed and replaced with STEK DYNOorange Matte film, which ties perfectly against the black olive. With matte conversions and color accents, you can actually see what you're spending money on as opposed to just knowing it's there protecting your car.